In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit a check using the Truist mobile app. Whether you're at home, at work, or on vacation, depositing a check through the app is a convenient way to manage your finances, saving you a trip to the bank. Let's delve into the process to make sure you can do this smoothly and confidently. To get started, you'll need to open your Truist mobile app on your smartphone. Ensure your app is up to date to avoid any software glitches. Once you've opened the app, you'll be prompted to enter your user ID and password. This login step is crucial for security, ensuring your banking information is safe and accessible only to you. After entering your credentials, tap on the Sign In button. Take a second here to check that everything is entered correctly, and then proceed. Once you're signed in, navigate to the option labeled Deposit. You'll find this in the main menu or under a section dedicated to various transaction types, depending on the app's layout. Selecting Deposit will guide you to the next step, which involves choosing the account you want to deposit your check into. You might have multiple accounts, like checking or savings, so select the one you'd prefer. After selecting the appropriate account, you'll need to enter the amount of the check. Be precise with this, as discrepancies can cause delays in processing. Double-check the amount before moving on, and once you're sure it's correct, click Done. The next step involves capturing photos of your check. This is crucial, as the images need to be clear and legible for the deposit to go through without issue. You'll first capture the front of the check. Make sure the check fits well within the frame guides provided by the app and that the writing is clearly visible. Avoid any shadows or reflections that might obscure important details. Once you're satisfied with the front image, proceed to capture the back of the check. Don't forget to endorse it by signing the back before taking the photo. The app might prompt you if there's an issue with the photos, so tweak as necessary until both sides are flawlessly captured. Now that you have both images ready and the details entered, click on the Deposit button. At times, it might take a few moments to process, so be patient. You should receive a confirmation message or email validating that your deposit is in progress. It's a good habit to save or screenshot this confirmation for your records. And there you have it. You've successfully deposited a check using the Truist mobile app. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Truist's customer service for assistance. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and happy banking.